everyone, in this video we'll learn about lazy loading in Angular 12. First we'll discuss what is lazy loading. Lazy loading is a design technique in which it loads the module when it is requested or required. For example, let's consider there will be two modules called admin and user. Admin module is for that person who is admin. User module is for users. Here, when admin clicks on admin module, only that module will be loaded. And same as for user module. When user click on user module, only that module will be loaded. Instead of loading all the modules, lazy loading concept helps to load the modules when they are requested or required. So next we'll see why we use this lazy loading. For example, when we start any application, as soon as all the modules will load. Because of that, sometimes it will load the module which is not required at that time. And also, application performance will be slowed down. Let's see demo on lazy loading. We'll go to Visual Studio Code. Here, I have created a project called lazy loading. Then we'll extend this source. After this, app. App consists of different files like HTML, CSS and TypeScript files. And also it consists of app-routing.module.ts file. Because while creating this lazy loading project, I have selected option S for the question, would you like to add Angular routing? Then inside this app, I have created a component called header in components folder by entering command ng generate component/header. Header component is created with different files like HTML, CSS and TypeScript files, and this header component is also updated in app.module.ts file. To apply lazy loading concept, next we'll create a modules called admin and user. So we'll open terminal by giving control backtick. Here we'll enter the command ng generate module, then I'll write here modules/admin. Here I am creating a folder called modules. In that folder I am storing admin module and also user module. So for this command, next we'll write --route space admin space module admin space module space app.module. Next we'll give enter. So that admin-routing.module.ts file is created and also admin.module.ts file is also created. Then admin.component.html, then admin.component.css, then admin.component.ts file is added. And it is updated in app-routing.module.ts file. In the same way, I have created one more module called user by giving command ng generate. Instead of writing here generate, I have written only g module/user-route space user space --module app.module. So that user-routing.module.ts file is created and also user.module.ts file is created and user.component.html, user.component.css, user.component.typescript file is created. And this user module is updated in app-routing.module.ts file. Next we'll go to app-routing.module.ts file. Here we can see admin and user module is updated as load children with dynamic function and it is imported from the modules folder. Then it is loaded. After this we'll go to header.component.html. Here I have written code to display Gogetmyguru logo on header, so I have taken image tag. Inside this image tag for source attribute, copied the image address of Gogetmyguru logo from the official website of Gogetmyguru. Then to display string welcome to Gogetmyguru Mart, I have taken h1 tag. Then to display link for admin and user module, I have taken unordered list tag. In that selected list tag, inside list tag selected ankle tag and I have written router link is equal to admin and named it as admin. And it is same for the user module. Then created class for both admin and user module, that is class is equal to button. To apply CSS. Then I have applied CSS in header.component.css. So I'll click on header.component.css. Here for header tag I have selected display flex background color light blue, justify content space surround. For image tag selected max height 100 px. And for H1 tag selected color brown, text align center, and unordered list and list tag selected display flex, flex direction row, and for button selected border 5px, solid coral, border radius 5px, padding 2px, display inline block, margin 25px, and color blue. This I have already explained in our previous routing in Angular 12 video. You can watch by clicking link which is mentioned in description box. Next we'll go to admin.component.html which is in modules folder. Instead of this paragraph tag, I'll make it as h1 and I will change string as admin module works. Next we'll go to user.component.html which is in modules folder. Here also I'll change from paragraph tag to h1 tag and I will write user module works. Next we'll go to app.component.html. Here we'll write app-header tag. After this we'll write router-outlet tag. Next we'll run this project. So I'll open terminal by giving control backtick and here I'll enter the command ng-ser-o. Here lazy loading project is compiled successfully. Then we'll go to browser and here we can see the lazy loading project which is running on localhost :4200 and it is displaying Gogetmyguru logo and string welcome to Gogetmyguru Mart links for admin and user modules on header. Next we'll open console by giving F12. Here we'll select network tab. I will clear this. Next I'll refresh this page localhost :4200. In network tab we can see only loaded page details, not admin and user module details. Next I'll click on admin module. Then admin module is loaded. Next I'll click on user module. So only user module will be loaded. That means application is not loading all the modules in first go. Based on request it is loading. This we call it as lazy loading. Next we'll learn the advantages of lazy loading. On demand it will load the modules. Next it will increase the application performance. After that code execution that is not required is avoided or prevented. This is all about the lazy loading in Angular 12. Please subscribe to our channel, help us to grow. Thanks for watching.